You are welcome back to my channel. This is Master BCM TV on YouTube, on Facebook. I want to show you how to sharpen Starex clipper blade. Newly bought but tested, it's not working fine. I want to show the surface to you. You see the inner surface of it? This is a new blade. So the owner bought it and mounted it on the engine. He tested it, it doesn't work fine at all. It's not working. So I want to resharpen. You see the surface now? Can you see that it's a new clipper blade? It's used only one time, but it's not working fine. Let me show you the inner surface of the upper clipper blade. Can you see the inner surface of it? You see the inner surface? So I want to resharpen it now. I want you to follow me step by step. Mama, so do you go? Number one thing you have to do is to clean the blade very well. Clean the back, but this is where we want to attach the masking tape. So I want to use super hard manner sharpening stone to sharpen the clipper blade. So I want to apply masking tape at the back. I call it grid. Grid. So I want to show you the way I apply the masking tape at the back. You can see it. So you apply the masking tape at the back of it for easy grading. You can see it. So this is the inner surface. You see the inner surface of the clipper blade, the inner surfaces, you see it. It's not working fine at all. This is the special stone. This is the sharpening stone I want to use. I want to use soft surface to sharpen the upper clipper blade first. So I'm activating the surface of the stone. This is a smooth surface stone. You see the surface of the special stone. Then I replace it back. You see the surface of the smooth surface stone. Then you now take your biscuit board. This is biscuit board. You now use it to scrub the surface to absorb the oil and to spread over small particles of the biscuit bone on the surface of the stone, of the square manners of the want to use to sharpen the clipper blade. Then this is the application of the treatment. You now use your mouth to blow it. You see the way I blow it now, the solution has covered the whole surface of the stone. Now I want to sharpen the upper clipper blade first. That is 2 and 20 times. You see the treatment at the back, you take your rag to clean the back. You can see it. Then you sharpen for the other side. I go 2 and 20 times, and I want to go 2 and 20 times for the other side too. So I've sharpened for the upper clipper blade. Let us watch and look how the inner surface is now. You can see the surface now. I want to locate it very well so that it can show the inner surface of you can see it now. The camera has picked it well now. You can see I've sharpened the inner surface of the upper clipper blade now. This one is well sharpened now. So I want to sharpen for the bottom clipper blade. Now I want to sharpen for the inner surface of the bottom clipper blade now. So when I sharpen the inner surface finish, I'll now show you to compare. If you have not sharpened the clipper blade, you are about to sharpen it. You place it in this way. See this one too. Before the sharpening, I place it in this way. After the sharpening, you turn it out for you to know that you have sharpened it. So because of the grid at the back, the masking tape, so you cannot put this one in this form. If the oil at the back, the oil will touch it. You see, you place it in this way before the sharpening. So after the sharpening, you will open it down. Now, let me return this one to the normal position again. I sharpen it, please. I treated it back. Then I want to, this is smooth surface. This is a quartz surface. This is quartz surface. This is smooth surface. So I use smooth surface to sharpen the upper clipper blade. Now I want to use the quartz surface so that the work will be faster to sharpen the bottom clipper blade. This soft surface can still sharpen it, but to make it faster, I want to use quartz surface. So let me treat the surface now before we start the sharpening. You apply your oil, then you take your biscuit bone to rub the surface. Use your biscuit bone to rub, to scrub the surface. I will show you. You see the way it is? You see it? So I will now use treatment. You now blow it. You see, the treatment has covered the surface of the stone. It has covered the surface. Now I want to sharpen for the upper clipper blade. I position it down. Then I want to sharpen for one side. I will go to and fro 30 times. The other side, I will go to and fro 30 times. So let us go down. And after I will show you. So I hold my stone like this. See that because I place it on another stone. You see it in this way, so that it will not be moving up and down. It will be stable. I'm sorry for that. That is 2 and 4 30 times for one side. So I've sharpened this side now. So I want to sharpen the other side here. Now that is 2 and 4 30 times again. I'm sorry for that. That is 2 and 4 30 times again. So let me show you the surface before I clean it. You see how the surface is rough? So I want to use rag to clean it very well. So let me position it well so that we can see the inner surface after the sharpening. So I've not checked it yet. I've not checked it, but see how the inner surface is. Let me go and check it now very well, whether it has been sharpened correctly. Yeah, it seems the clipper blade is sharpened correctly. Let me check it very well for you. So that let me position it very well. You can be able to see it. So that the camera can be able to pick it exactly. Yeah, you see it now. You can see the inner surface now. Everything is flattened across. So the shining has shown, the total flatness has shown. So you see for... Let me place the two at the same time. So I want the camera to pick it very well. Yeah. I want the camera to pick the inner surface of the two. Can you see the inner surface of the two? You see the inner surface now? You see how flat it is and total shining across for the inner surface of the upper and the bottom clipper blade. Now I will go and test it. let me return this one to the normal position. You see it? Then let me retreat the surface back. After using, you retreat it back again. You can see it. So let me test it. You put the upper clipper blade on the top of the bottom clipper blade. You mount it like this, then you now run it with ordinary hand. So when I run it in this way, let me get it closer to the camera. You can see it. You see the way I place it. You see the way I place it. See the way I hold it. You now run it very well. So this is how to test it. So when we rub it very well, you go front, you go back. For the upper clipper blade, you go side by side. You move to the front, you move to the back. With the upper clipper blade, you move side by side. So when we open it now, then we see carbon that cover the whole surface of the inner and the bottom clipper blade, where the inner surface of the upper clipper blade is touching with the inner surface of the bottom clipper blade. When you see the black carbon feel across the whole part, which means the clipper blade has been sharpened correctly and it's like clay. It's going to work like a new clipper blade. It's going to work like a new clipper blade, or even better than the new clipper blade. You know, this one is new clipper blade now, but the tester is not working fine. So they bring it here for resharpening. So that was company sharpening before. That was the company default sharpening, but it doesn't work at all. Now I'm using my own stone to resharpen it back, to bring it back to the normal position, how it's supposed to be. So after the testing now, we now open it. When you see carbon feel everywhere, which means the clipper blade is sharpened correctly. Can you see it now? You see the carbon? See the inner surface here of it. See the inner surface. Can you see that carbon feel everywhere? You see it in this way? You can see it in this way. So which means this clipper blade has been sharpened correctly. So when you treat it, you mount it on the clipper engine. You treat it, you run it very well. Then you lubricate the mouth. You apply the oil, that is lubricating. You lubricate it very well, then you run it. Then you now use it. It's going to work like a new clipper blade. Can you see the back of it? You see it? So that is how to sharpen a newly bought clipper blade that is not working fine. Can you see it? Please subscribe to my channel. This is Master BCM TV. Look under this video. You see where the right SUB is. Subscribe. Use your finger to press. Do not think to subscribe. Press the notification button. Yeah, when you press the notification button, the moment our new video is coming out, you can be able to be seeing our notification for new videos live and short. You see it, and you can still check out on Facebook page, Master BCM TV, or Salahuddin Rashid on Facebook page. Yeah, thank you. Be expecting another valuable tutorial after this one.